noticed in this 2011 Jeep Wrangler. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes 4-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.